What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Derek, and I'm not gonna waste any time. We are gonna get right into the property tour on Yerba Buena Island. Let's go. That wraps up today's property tour. Remember, they are over 90% sold out, which means there's less than 10 available condo units on this portion of the project in this complex. So if you want to be one of the lucky few, my contact information is right here. I'll also put it down in the description. Reach out to me. I know the staff very well. I've already gotten clients onto the island. I'm happy to strategize with you. If you're looking to get on the Yerba Buena Island project or even throughout the surrounding Bay Area. Up next, after the condos are completely sold out, I already started working on the single family flats and the townhomes with the courtyards. Remember, there's also a few custom home lots available as well where you can build your own estate. So if you have any questions, you want to learn more about this project or anything else in the surrounding Bay Area, reach out to me. We'll see you on the next one.